If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your Reddit subscription, follow these simple steps to manage your subscription settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Reddit account. Visit the Reddit website or open the Reddit app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your user settings. On the website, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select User Settings. In the app, tap on your profile icon and then go to Settings. Step 3. Access the Subscriptions tab. In the User Settings menu, look for the Subscriptions tab or section. This is where you can manage your subscriptions and payment settings. Step 4. Find your active subscription. Locate the active subscription that you wish to cancel. You should see details about the subscription, including the renewal date and payment information. Step 5. Cancel auto-renewal. Select the option to cancel or turn off auto-renewal for your subscription. Follow any prompts to confirm your decision and ensure that your subscription will not renew automatically. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto-renewal of your Reddit subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Reddit support for further assistance.